In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off Find My iPhone feature on your iPhone device. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Settings and there scroll down for a bit until you find Privacy and Security. Next tap at Location Services and there go into Share My Location. There you will find My iPhone feature, just tap on it and by that switcher that calls Find My iPhone you can enable or disable this feature. By default this feature is enabled and you can hit on that switcher to disable it. There you have to enter your Apple ID passcode and then hit on Turn Off. Or otherwise, you will just need to tap there on this switcher to turn this option on. When Find My Phone is enabled, you can locate, lock or erase your device and supported accessories. This device cannot be erased and reactivated without your password. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.